Oh. Yeah. All right, so today we're going to be going over how we load the cabinets up, unload them, and then we're going to be showing you how we build these cabinets right here, this upper cabinet and this base cabinet. Stay tuned for the video. Enjoy. Today we're going to be showing you the cabinet process. We showed you how we load them up, unload them, and now I'm going to tell you how I kind of sort these things out. So usually when I unload them, they have numbers on them, so I just number them 1, 2, 3, 4. These are adjustable shelves. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we got nailers and toe kicks all in order, 1, 2, and so on. And so today I'm going to be showing you how we put these together, how easy they are to put together, because, I mean, you see all the notches and dados that they have. It's so easy to just put these guys together. Cabinet number 6, and the first thing that we do usually is sand up all the parts. So I'm going to do that right now. Good. Okay, so usually when we're building cabinets, we like to put Craig screws, 3 on each side, and we'll do it like this. And so right now I'm going to go over to the Craig jig machine, put some holes in this, and then we're going to put this cabinet together. All right, so basically I'm just going to put 3 holes on each side, and whatever the bottom side is where the opposite of this little lip right here. So we're just going to put this right here. And I'm going to do that 2 more times on this side and then do the 3 on the other side. Basically, it's just getting this hole ready for screws. There we go. That saves so much time. So all the things you're going to need to build the cabinet are glue, you're going to need an impact, some screws, and then that's basically it for now. So we're going to glue this guy up. Yep. I'm going to set this guy in here, make sure it's flush on both sides. There we go. Like I said, it basically just fits like a puzzle piece. Get it flush. Okay. Put my screws in there. Basically, it's a pretty simple process. I don't want to do it too tight, maybe just a couple clicks. So then, it's on there pretty good. Flip it like this. Grab my other side. I'm gonna glue this guy up. Same thing. All you need to do is just put it together and it's already going to be flush on the bottom. There we go. Okay. So now I'm going to grab the toe kicks. So usually with the toe kicks we'll put 2 screws on each side and then 3 on the side that's hooking to the base of the cabinet. And we'll do that for both of them. So let's go back to the Craig. Alright, so like I said, we're going to do 2 here, 3 here, and then 2 on this side. Should be pretty same. So usually when we do toe kicks, we want to use a clamp, any kind of clamp. Right now I can use this squeeze clamp because it's a smaller cabinet. So I'm going to start putting some glue on this guy. All 3 sides where the screws are going to go to. Okay. Want to get it flush right here so the back can fit in there. Squeeze it. There we go. I'm going to get some screws in. Usually I try to put screws into the base first to secure it and then bring the sides in with the other screws. Okay. Do the same with the other one. Flush, as flush as you can get it. So now we're going to put these 2 top pieces on. You can see the dados is cut out right here, and so this piece right here is going to be aligned with the back, so it fits flush right there. And so we're going to put some glue in these dados. I'm going to grab the nail gun. Squeeze it together. Squeeze it. And then we're gonna put some nails in it. The glue is the thing that's gonna hold it together strong. The nails are just there temporarily to hold it in place. So now I'm going to put the back on its face. Pick the good side of it. Oh, yep, these have the holes for the drawer slides. Even though we don't use those, we usually try and do it that way. So we're just going to glue this guy up. Don't put too much glue or that it's going to go through the seams. And usually you want to have a wet washcloth or a wet paper towel or something, but I'm really hoping we don't have any seepage. Use clamps to kind of get it flush to the top. There we go. Oh, there we go. Now we're gonna get some clamps on it to push it flat in the back. There we go. Nail gun. We're just gonna start putting nails in this. I gotta put the other top piece on, and then we're done. Make sure it's flush again. Okay. And that's our cabinet. It is going to have a little bit of glue, but I'll get that cleaned up off camera. Thank you guys.